look at this. My purifier has an app. It shows me water TDS, tell me when filters need replacement, and even send me service alerts. Feels so high tech, na?
Nice. So the app basically tells you everything about your water.
Exactly, this is the future of water purification.
Bro, an app can tell you your TDS, send you notification, but does it fix the actual problem with RO purifiers?
Problems? Problems like what?
Problems like removing all the essential minerals your body actually needs. Problem like 70% of your water is being wasted. And last but not the least, problems with heavy bills on your annual maintenance cost. So while the screen looks smart, what happening inside the purifier is still the same old TDS adjusters.
So these fancy features don't make my water healthier. All the time my phone was getting smarter, right?
Exactly. While the features look fancy, your health is about what's actually in your glass. For healthy purification, choose nanofiltration water purifiers. It retains all the essential minerals while reducing the water wastage by up to 70% and costs 50% less on maintenance.
Notifications are not equal to nutrition. When it's about your health, choose Pure's nanofiltration purifier. Talk to India's NF expert or visit pure.in.